Welcome back. It's about that time. Gonna do another lot walk. Let's get it. What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around the car lot looking at all the new inventory so you know exactly what we got. I'll tell you what is available and what is sold. I try to be specific so that you don't have to waste your time, give us a call on a sold car or anything like that. I do have test drive videos and walkarounds of every car on the car lot, so be sure to check out maplemotors.com. I just updated that website this morning. We put about, I think, 9 or 10 new cars on today. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna walk by each car, just kind of point out all the new stuff that we got in and show you around the lot. I'll probably go over it twice. So right here we got a 88 model Pontiac GTA Trans Am. This one's 12.9 with the LT1 under the hood. Right next to that, we got a 1972 Monte Carlo. We got it priced $17,900. And I should have all these test drive videos out with all the information, under the hood, undercarriage shots, chips, scratches, anything that I could find. This is a 1972 Monte Carlo. It's $17,900 as well. The videos are out on this one, so be sure to check that out. We got a 68 El Camino sitting here for $17,900. It does have a hold on the windshield, but hold does not mean sold. It just gives somebody time to get financed. This is a 68 Chevelle SS. This was a true SS car. It was $39,900. It's already sold. Right next to that, we got a 1971 Chevelle. This thing's beautiful. You want to check it out? Test drive videos are coming out today on this one. This is $28,900. Going back around, we've already sold this one. I could not get it out fast enough. I made the videos. I will show you how it runs and drives upon customer request. We're getting all these cars in so fast, and a lot of them are selling before I can even list them, but I still have the videos done and ready so I could show you the car. But it's a 1973 Corvette. It was a 4-speed car, $17,900, and this thing drove awesome. But again, it's already sold. Right next to that, 1966 Corvette. This one's got the side pipes, custom front end, $34,900. Right next to that, we got a really nice 1971 Camaro. This thing has tons of new parts inside and out. The paint is beautiful. One little spot here, and that's because they put an AC compressor in and it touched the hood on the inside there. But it is an inline 6 car for $23,900. You got a 1973 Mustang convertible. This one's $17,900. I do have the videos of it. They will be coming out today. Stepping right next to it, a 1966 Mustang convertible. This one is $24,900. Came in and picked that one up today, didn't he? This one's already sold. We had it on last week. I had the videos up. It's a 40 model. Interior on it's very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys, and I'll show you this one here in just a moment. Just a quick mid-video reminder. This is the Hot Wheels room up here at Maple Motors. So if you're interested in collector Hot Wheels, come check us out. Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. You can see it right here on YouTube as well. So right here we got a 1979 C10 pickup. This one has got a 3 on the tree. It's 20,900. Custom wheels. I guess those are Boss 338s. Disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. Nice clean bumpers and a nice bed back here. Pretty sweet truck. Coming on up here, we got a Biscayne. Just got it in. It's a 4-speed car as well. It looks like they tinted the front windshield. This is a 1965 model Biscayne. We got it for $19,900. Right next to that, a 1968 model Impala. This one's $19,900. We got another one that did not hit the website that I'm very disappointed about. Look at this. This thing is sick. I love the paint on it. It's a 66 model Caprice. Beautiful paint job. It never made the website, but I wanted to show it to you. Of course, everything else behind me is sold, so don't call about any of that. Or if I didn't mention it in the video, just please don't call about it, because it's going to be sold anyways. Right next to that, we got a Buick 1966 Skylark. Pretty sweet ride. We got it for $16,900. You know, we don't get too many Buicks, but this thing rides awesome. Super smooth. I guess it's nicknamed Beans. We got another Skylark sitting here. We had 2 of them the same week. This one does have a hold on it at the moment. Hold does not mean sold until it's gone. 1967 model Skylark, $18,900. Right next to that, we just picked this one up. This one's got a fuel injected motor. It's a 64 Le Mans. We got it for $19,900. I believe that was the LT1 as well. And this one also went on hold last week. It's a 1974 Plymouth Satellite for $19,900. Okay, I'm gonna try to mix it up here. So we've walked through the whole lot. We've walked through everything that's available. What I'm gonna do next is I guess I'm gonna pop the hood on all of the new cars that came in, and we'll conclude this video. I still got some more work to do today, so we're gonna get this done and get this video out to you. And please don't forget, hit subscribe. And if you like the music, that's me and my band, Southgate Production. Go check it out. That's here on YouTube as well. Okay, first on the list, this one's got a built 350 under the hood. Solid lifters, 1971 Chevelle, and that was $28,900. All right, right here we got a 72 Monte Carlo. This one's got a 350 under the hood. Looks like the power steering and all that's hooked up. Check out the video that I've posted of the test drive to check everything out on that one. It's also $17,900. Pretty sweet little GTA, 75,000 miles, LT1. This was an 88 model for $12,900. Next up, 1972 Monte Carlo. This one is $17,900. It's got a 468 under the hood. It's also got power steering, a lot of chrome under here. And hey, a lot of y'all asked, have you ever got a ticket or anything on a test drive? This one almost did it to me. Make sure to check out that video. Got a 1964 Pontiac Le Mans. This one's got a LT1 under the hood. Should be the 5.7. We got it for $19,900. Runs and drives good. And yeah, of course this one's done as well. Beautiful interior. Going on down with the hood here. Got a 66 Buick Skylark sitting here, and this one's got the 310 Wildcat under the hood. Real dark tint. Up next, a 68 Impala. This one here is believed to be 327. Should be the matching number motor too. And the winter sticker in this car when we got it. And she's pretty dang nice. It's a 65 Biscayne here. I believe it was a 350 up under the hood. Do have those details in the video. I just can't remember right off the top of my head, to be honest with you, on this one. Hey, you can see the numbers back here, actually. I'll have to look them up. Looks like 100-66036. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah, that's usually how you'll decode them. You'll look at the back there, and then you compare them on front with the code. So, but yeah, this one's $19,900, 4-speed car, runs and drives good, and the video's coming your way. Okay, I believe this one was a 307 under the hood. There's a 1969 C10 pickup truck. See if we can get in it. 3 on the tree. Got it on the column there. Of course, this one is $20,900. All right, so you got a nice Camaro here. Even up under the hood is very clean. It is an inline with cold AC. This is a 1971 Camaro, $23,900. You see the disc brakes on the front, drum on the rear. Beautiful interior. And a super clean paint job. $23,900. Right next to that, 351 in the 1972, or 73 actually, Mustang convertible. This one's $17,900. And right next to that, we got a 66 model Mustang convertible, $289 under the hood. Okay, I got one more ride for you to check out. We're gonna head on back here and look at it. Pretty nice little Corvette. Little tune. This is a 72 model. Chrome bumper car. And it's 28.9. Okay guys, anything that I did not mention in this video is already sold. So don't call about cars in the background. There's no use. They're already sold. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe, like this channel, and share. That helps me out a lot. And I'll keep these videos coming your way. We have plenty of content here at Maple Motors. You can look through our YouTube channel, over 2,000 videos. You can also check out our TikTok we just created. We've been putting videos out on it all the time. I'm going to be doing that here later today. We also have a Facebook, Instagram, and a Snapchat. We'll show behind the scenes up here at Maple Motors. We'll show us going out and playing. And check out maplemotors.com. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures. I have financing and shipping options available. And all of our inventory is updated every Monday with new cars. Appreciate you watching, guys. I'll see you later. Thanks again.
Sled back.